All right. Hello, guys. So, have you ever thought about converting the permission sets, which is in a metadata XML format, into a nice different UI where you can build your own functionalities. Say you want to build a dashboards or you want to build some charts based on this metadata XML. Then this video will definitely help you. So I have written a blog about this as well. So let me quickly start with the technical design here actually. So the first thing, so I have downloaded the permission sets in my developer edition org inside of a folder called permission set. So this is going to sit in my local system for now. The next thing, I have built some Lightning web components using the LWC, open source or the LWR. And also I have created a script for the node.js server. I have also given the link where you can go and see the session about how you can develop your own application in LWR from Ulian. This is very helpful session if you want to try something outside of Salesforce.com. So first I'll give a quick demo. So now I'll go and I'll start the server in my machine. And once I type this npm start, you can see it's going to the script dot server, and it's starting the server in my local machine. So next I go to the browser and I try to refresh the localhost with port 3000. And now you can see all of the permission sets in the left side. These permission sets are nothing but the files that are within this folder. These files, metadata files, are downloaded using the Salesforce DX or the metadata API command. So these are nothing but just the metadata XML files. That's all. So the first thing is you can see that all the permission sets are displayed here, and also you get a total aggregated view, like totally with the permission sets, right? I have given access to 680 Apex classes. I have given access to 21 pages, 550 plus fields, 139 plus objects. So if I want to drill down further, I can just go to any of the permission sets. Let's say I click on this account object, and we can see that the screen is going to change whenever I click on any of the permission set. So as you can see, it keeps changing. So now as you can see, like for account object permission set, I have like 484 custom field access, and you can see all the access here. And then you can also see that there is there are CRUD permissions for the account object. And there are few things we can see here, like there are two duplicates. So when I say duplicates, it means there are two other permission set that contain exact similar permissions like this account object. So I click on this and I can see there are two other permission set. I have, just to make the demo clear, I have named it duplicate account permission set. And there is a compare button. Click on that button and you can see what are the differences actually. So now as you can see, there are literally no difference between both of these permission set. So everything is 0. And then the next thing to notice, you can see there is something called similar permissions. So I click on the similar permissions, and I can see there are 5 different permission set are there. So similar permission meaning these 5 or 6 permission set that you see here, they contain whatever the account object permission set contains, but they also contain some additional level of permissions. For example, I click this compare button, and we can see that in the left side in red color everything is 0, meaning whatever is there in account, that is not missing in this permission set. But still you can see there are additional access, like for example there is the standard case tab access which is present in account case, which is missing in account object. Similarly, if I go to object, I can see that there is access for case which is missing in the account object permission set. And then you also have the option to compare any permission set with any other permission set. So I click on this button, and now let's say I can select any permission set. I can select contact only, right? And now you can see these 484 fields are present in account object, but they are missing in the contact only permission set. And similarly, there are some additional permission set in contact only permission set as well. So this is applicable for any permission set. Say you click on any of the permission set here, and the screen will change based on that, and you will be able to find the duplicate permissions, similar permissions, or you will be able to compare any permission set with any other permissions. So all of these are done by using the LWR, and the data is not coming from Salesforce, but the data is coming from your local machine. So as you can see in my Visual Studio Code, these are my source data, which is the permission set, and then these are my LWC code, like whatever dashboard that you see here, right? So this is nothing but the plain LWC code that you use within Salesforce. We can see that I'm using like some lightning out tags, and I'm using the SLDS classes. Yeah, and pretty much similar JavaScript as well. The same LWC, whatever we are doing inside of Salesforce. Only the Apex part will change, and instead of Apex, I have this server script. This script is going to read this folder. It's going to read the metadata permissions, and it's going to return the data to the LWC. So yeah, so with this, I'm done with this demo. Please go over the blog. Please, and I'll also try to share the source code in a GitHub repo. Please go over the code, and please feel free to let me know if there are any questions, or if this is not clear for you. Also, you can just ping me in LinkedIn or Twitter, and I'll be happy to assist on this. Thank you.